The vaginal ring is a small soft flexible ring that is inserted into the vagina. It's designed to release hormones, which is the estrogen and progestin, that help to prevent pregnancy. There are two kinds of vaginal ring. It is the NuvaRing, which lasts up to 5 weeks, and Annovera, which lasts for a whole year, and can be reused monthly. How it works. It prevents ovulation by stopping your ovaries from releasing an egg. It also thickens cervical mucus, which make harder for sperm to reach the egg. And also, it thins the uterine lining. If an egg were to fertilize, it's less likely to implant.
This is the pros or benefits of the vaginal ring. The first one, monthly method. The second one, regulates bleeding. The third one, easy to insert or remove. And the last one, can skip or period. Itong apat na po to, ito po yung makukuha nating benefit pag gumamit po tayo ng vaginal ring. And what's our limitation? Must remember monthly changes. The second one, cause vaginal irritation. Magkakaroon po tayo ng pangangati sa ating ari. At the third one, risk of hormonal side effect. And the last one, no STI protection. How does the birth control ring prevent pregnancy? The ring works by stopping sperm from joining with an egg, which is fertilization. Ang sinasabi po dito, ang trabaho ng vaginal ring ay pumipigil sa sperm ng lalaki para hindi makapunta sa egg ng babae at hindi mag-fertilize. What if you decide to stop using it? Simply remove it at the end of the 3rd week of your current cycle and don't insert a new ring. Your fertility may return quickly once you stop using the ring. Ang sinasabi po dito, pag ayaw mo na gumamit ng vaginal ring, madali lang ito tanggalin. Subalit, tatanggalin mo na lang ito in the 3rd week of your current cycle. At once na natanggal mo na ito, huwag mo na ibabalik yung vaginal ring. At once na hindi ka na gumagamit ng vaginal ring, madali ka na lang mabuntis. The positive side effect of vaginal ring. The first one can improve acne. The second one, reduce menstrual cramps. And the last one, make your periods lighter. And the negative side effect of vaginal ring is the first one, nausea. The second one, headaches. The third one, breast tenderness. And the last one, changes menstrual flow. Does the ring protect against STD? No, the birth control ring is really good at preventing pregnancy, but it won't protect you from sexually transmitted infections. Using condoms every time you have sex really lowers the chance of getting or spreading STD. The effectiveness is 93%, cost up to $200 but can be zero.